Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a can of compressed air. These will be essential for safely opening your laptop and cleaning its internal components. Start by powering down your HP Envy 15 and unplugging it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your laptop. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all screws, placing them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. If you find it difficult, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. With the back panel removed, you'll have access to the internal components. Start by inspecting the fans and heat sinks for dust accumulation. Dust can significantly affect the performance of your laptop, leading to overheating. Using the can of compressed air, blow out any dust from the fans and vents. Make sure to hold the fan blades in place while doing this to prevent them from spinning too fast. Next, check the RAM and hard drive connections. If you're comfortable, you can gently remove and reseat the RAM modules. This can help improve performance if they've become loose over time. If you're unsure about this step, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. After cleaning and reseating components, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is aligned properly before tightening the screws to avoid any damage. Now that your laptop is reassembled, power it on and check that everything is functioning correctly. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to contact us. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Regular maintenance like this can extend the life of your HP Envy 15 and keep it running smoothly. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer no calls, no travel services, making it easy for you to get professional help without the hassle. Keeping your laptop clean and well-maintained is essential for optimal performance, so make this a regular part of your tech care routine. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.